Hey friends, got a little unboxing here. Got a little birthday tool haul. I'm gonna just go through the things one at a time. I'm gonna start with the Cold Steel SRK Compact. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and I'm gonna compare it here real quick to the regular SRK. So you can see a little divot from the back of that snap there. Sheets are about the same. Whoa. Well, this is 1095 like steel. This is a SK5. It's basically their Japanese 1095. So they're trying to keep it from rusting, which I understand and appreciate. I'd rather not have a rusty blade coming out of the box there. Yeah, definitely a lot lighter than the original SRK. I have my other one here. So there's the big boy. So probably about an inch and a half shorter. And wow, definitely thinner handle. Kind of wish they had this big old handle on this smaller blade, kind of like the Master Hunter. It's got just about this size handle, but on a smaller blade. That's what I was kind of hoping with this, but still not bad. Pretty hand filling for what it is. But there you go. SRKC. It's back in there. All right. Then I've been wanting to try one of these guys for a while. The Amazon Basics screwdriver, otherwise branded as Denali, I believe, before Amazon took it over. On the listing, it says it's made by Skill, and this looks familiar. This same kind of get up came with my Skill electric screwdriver, which I have liked a lot, but yeah, same deal. USB-C charging, which I appreciate. Yeah, all right. It's got power levels here. I wanted to pick this up. Not sure if I said this already, but after the torque test channel did their testing of this guy, and the power on this thing was outdoing lots of other name brands. So wanted to pick this up. It's not gonna. It's got a little, but want to charge it first before I put it to use. But yeah, that's smaller than I thought, which is good. It just seemed like it'd be a bigger screwdriver, but I like the form factor of that thing. So I will do a review of that here soon. I was looking for a step bit for my kind of portable tool bag, and I mean, typically I'm not drilling huge holes into metal. They're somewhere in this 1/8 to 1/2 inch range, and so wanted something compact that I could keep in with my other drill bits. And this little ThinkWorks, they offer lots of different small sizes, and I think that'll fit nicely into my little drill bit handle or case. I'm sorry, and yeah, I mean even this little thing is not bad in and of itself. So I may even just leave it in here because this will fit in my bag just fine. So all right, there's that. Then a little watch tool job here. All right. I'm not saving this packaging anyway. Wanted to get something a little better for sizing up watch bracelets. I end up sizing them for my kids as well as myself. Got my boys both into it. So it's got, oh man, I love that wide threading, just allows it to move very quickly. And oh, there it goes. So that little platform does come up. I was barely seeing it move. So nice. So you can raise the whole bracelet up pretty well. It's got a little slot to lay the bracelet in to hammer them back in. I like it. Very cool. I mean, it's plastic, nothing super robust, but it'll do the trick. And then a couple other cheap little tools in here. Nothing to write home about on that. And I already have one of these guys. So this was the main attraction. This was the reason I bought this. So, all right. And then got a bunch of Klein stuff. I've been wanting to try out this HVAC screwdriver. And see if we can do this without cutting myself. Got the Schrader valve, Phillips, and flat bladed. So yeah, and then this is kind of the stop point. So you flip this thing around and you can make this come completely over and protect the blade, the tip of the screwdriver, so you can keep it in your pocket without stabbing yourself or poking through your pockets. So, and then you can have a stubby kind of screwdriver or a longer one. So I dig that. And I think you can just flip these guys around without a problem. Nice. All right, cool. I like it's super simple. There's not a whole lot to it in terms of different features and whatnot, but just having this being able to be covered up, those are the most 3 common micro sizes I use for little things in my tool bag. So that could be a really cool addition. As always, I will look at these things later and give a more thorough review. This is just taking a quick look here. These are more tips for the watch band tool. Okay, then the 11-in-1. Now I have one of these, but it's ancient history and there are parts missing. I found it used at a state surplus store and wanted to try out an original. So, oh, nice, cute. They have a little screwdriver tip cover there. But I will compare this with the Milwaukee 13-in-1. Basically, the difference with the Milwaukee is that it's got the ECX bits on it. But yeah, I really love that Klein cushion grip. It's just really, really nice. So there's that. I will give a new one a good run and report back. I mean, I'm not going to be surprised that it's good. All right, and then we got some flip sockets. Just got the little flip socket set, 5-inch and 3-inch. And I don't know if I really really need to go through these. I've already reviewed one of them as part of the adjustable length screwdriver. But yeah, I really love this feature of being able to pop this up and hold 1/4-inch bits on these guys. So wanted to get a few more of these around for different tool bags just because they're so handy. And I just love kind of having the nut driver function and then also the 1/4-inch bit holding. It really is a really clever design by Klein. So love these things. So there you go. Nothing too crazy. Some flip sockets, the 11-in-1, the HVAC screwdriver, this think works bit holder or step bit, that guy, that guy. Man, there's a lot of grease in that sheet. And that guy. So, yeah, I'd say it's a pretty decent haul for a little birthday gift card purchase. So, there you have it. Look forward to more from these.